Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this InnoView external monitor for an honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what you get, and here's what it looks like. Look at this. It's a nice, beautiful 18.5-inch diagonal monitor. It is super thin. It is portable. It is not heavy at all. I can lift it up. I can carry it. It's metal as well. It is not a plastic monitor. It is a nice matte finish on the front here. Again, 18.5 inches diagonal. It is beautiful. Really, really nice. Let me kind of show you how it works with some of the features here. On the back, if you want to use this monitor just as a regular computer monitor and mount it to a stand or to a TV holder or even to a wall, you can. It's got 4 screws in the back. These are 75 millimeters by 75 millimeter. It's kind of a VESA compliant, so you can mount it onto a stand very easily if you want to. However, the whole point of a portable monitor is that you can carry it around. If you want to carry it around, I'll just show you here. Let me just open it up. There we go. So the bottom of the monitor actually has little rubber feet, so it won't scratch a tabletop. But then you also have this little stand here, and this little stand just kind of slides out. It's riveted on, so it slides out, and it works as a stand, so then you can put it up just like that. It works really, really well. I've actually been kind of playing around with it in the house, and it works great. So one other quick thing is that the monitor stand, when closed, it hides all the ports. So if you're going to use the ports, and you're going to have to use the ports for power, you want to open it up like that. Now you can have a power. You have 2 USB-C ports on this side and an HDMI in, and it comes with the cables needed for this. And on the other side, you actually have a little headphone jack there, and you have a little power. And then you have some little setting buttons right there for up and down. You have a whole menu system you can kind of play with. It has a matte finish, not a glass finish, so it's not nearly that glossy. That'll reduce glare, and that will actually reduce eye strain as well. You will need to use an external power source for this because it's so big. I can't even fit it into the view of the video here. Because it's so big, again, it's larger than a typical laptop. You will need to use an external power source to actually go ahead and give it, but that's okay. It comes with a power block that you plug in, and then it comes with a cord that actually powers this as well. So yeah, it comes with everything you need. So here is, I've hooked it up to my laptop. Now I actually separated it out, so I have one monitor here and one monitor here, and as you can see, this looks beautiful. This laptop is a standard laptop. It's about 14.4 screen size, but you can see this is actually bigger. The InnoView external monitor is actually bigger and nicer than my laptop screen. So I've plugged it in HDMI, again, HDMI from the side to right to here, and this is the power cord. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's just amazing. It's so much easier to watch stuff. It's so much easier to see things. This is okay. My regular laptop is okay, but it's actually hard to see stuff sometimes. Things are small. Things get a little squished up on it. I would use this, the InnoView monitor, as my primary monitor, and maybe use my laptop monitor as a secondary. It's just that beautiful. And again, it's super thin. Now, I'm just using the regular old foldable stand right now, and that's fine. Again, you can mount it to a regular laptop stand or a monitor stand, but I don't need to here. This looks great. This is amazing. Again, this provides like 99% of the sRGB colors, like 16.7 million colors. It really is a very, very nice laptop. It does have volume. It does have settings for all your different visual needs. Move it down a little bit. I'm going to click on the button on the side here, and I get a little menu here. This menu allows me to do all sorts of things. I can change the brightness, the contrast, certain eco standards, all the different color settings I can play around with. This is all defaults right now. I do have audio on this. I can play audio. I've had played video games on this. I have different aspect ratios and HDMI, and then I can even set up the input source. And I can go ahead and have input through USB. Right now I'm using HDMI. As you can see, I can also go ahead and play Xbox with this thing. It works really well. Again, it looks beautiful. I just plug in the HDMI from the Xbox into this. You can do PS5. You can go ahead and do PlayStation. You can have any type. You can do Switch. Any game system that has HDMI output or input, this will work. It's really a nice monitor. So there you have it. This is a beautiful, wonderful external monitor. It's portable. It's nice and lightweight. I can take it places. I can move it around. I can use game systems. I can use it with a PC. I mean, it's big enough to actually double as like a TV. It's really, really beautiful. Nice and wide. I love the wide view. I can really, really watch things. I can play games. It's just a great monitor, and I highly recommend it.